Right, I'm going to be cleaning a keyboard. This one's got a few sticky keys, so certain keys are getting stuck down. I'm just going to go over it with this foam spray and then use some of these wipes.
Go for dinner, peeps. Oh, no, okay, you're not 10 minutes yet.
Yes. This just gets down nicely in between the keys. It's always an idea to dry these as well and attempt not to use excess liquid on here. I might have used a little too much, but I'll give it a nice shine. Just get rid of all those that sticky bits in between the keys. The keyboard lasts a little longer. Okay, and there we go. It was the Alt key and the Shift key that was sticking before, and the space bar on occasion. That's now sorted.